The benefits of installing smart urinals and restrooms in commercial spaces. What are smart urinals and restrooms and why they are changing the way we manage public spaces? Technology is revolutionizing the way we manage public restrooms. Smart urinal and smart restroom technologies are making it easier for businesses to keep their restrooms clean, safe, and efficient. These systems can automate the cleaning process and provide data-driven insights into restroom usage that helps with budgeting and resource allocation. Utilizing smart restroom management solutions can create a much more welcoming and enjoyable atmosphere for customers. Businesses can benefit from these solutions by providing their patrons with an improved experience. How smart urinals and restrooms help improve hygiene and user experience. Sanitation technology has revolutionized the way we manage hygiene. Today, businesses have access to waterless urinal systems that make it easier to keep restrooms clean and hygienic. This system not only helps keep restrooms free of germs and bacteria but also improves user experience by providing a more comfortable environment. Benefits of installing automated urinal and bathroom systems in commercial spaces. Automated urinal and bathroom systems are becoming increasingly popular in commercial spaces. These systems offer a variety of benefits, such as improved hygiene, cost savings, and convenience. Installing these systems can help to reduce water consumption, improve the overall look and feel of the bathroom, and increase customer satisfaction. Furthermore, automated urinal and bathroom systems are easy to install and maintain. They also require minimal maintenance costs over time. When choosing a smart urinal or restroom system for your business, there are several factors to consider, such as the size of the unit, water conservation features, ease of installation and maintenance, cost effectiveness, and more. It is important to research each product thoroughly before making a purchase decision so that you can find the best solution for your needs. Conclusion: unlock the benefits of smart urinals and restrooms in your business today. US Janitorial, providing premier commercial cleaning services. Visit us at usjservices.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-210-6069 to learn more or to schedule an appointment. We will be more than happy to assist you.